Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, it's already 2 o'clock. Yeah, I am day off today and I'm just here in the house. Yeah, at the moment I'm actually browsing about GoPro. Because you know this GoPro Hero 9 that I'm using, it is there's a little broken part, but yeah, it's still capturing very good video quality. And I'm actually having this card. Yeah, this gift card coming from my workplace, given to me last December. Yeah, Christmas gift, $200, and I want to use it to buy the GoPro. The GoPro is $700, just less than $700. I forgot the name of the particular place. Homeworld? No, not Homeworld, but yeah, it's something like that. But it's a shopping center for Sydney to Speedstack, Autobarn, Spotlight, and where I am actually going is Harvey Norman. This Harvey Norman just moved here. It was previously in Salamander Bay, near the Salamander Bay Shopping Square, near the KFC. They have so much more products in here: home appliances, furnitures, electronics. And I'm actually here because I'm going to buy a GoPro. Looking at this, these are all kind of luxury furnitures. Yeah, here is the GoPro. This is actually $649. Very nice. There is this kind of shell, and then these stickers and procedure, some more instruction tips, the product manual, a USB charging cable, a battery, and comes with this and this and the screw, and this is the camera. And this is actually the same size of the GoPro Hero 9, 10, 11. This is the 12. And what I am using now is the GoPro Hero 9. Okay, let's move inside here. And just right after switching it on, it will show you the language first, English, and then terms and condition, legal, agree. Turn on to control your camera using voice, we'll do that. English, confirm. Oh, okay, 128 GB SD card installed. Okay, we're going to move closer to the entrance of JB Hi-Fi. Yeah, very nice. I hear the click of the recording. Yeah, it's about maybe 10 or more meters, and I can still hear the sound. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, and yeah, from here I can see that it's still recording. Very nice. GoPro stop recording. Very good. Yeah, this is nice. We are now here in the shopping center, and I'm going to buy fried rice. I really like the fried rice here in Master Noodles. And I ordered nasi goreng, seafood nasi goreng. Yeah, not just fried rice. The nasi goreng is delicious also. That is Indonesian Malaysian rice. Oh, look at that. If you notice the color of the sky, yeah, it's like there is thick clouds. It's basically a smoke, because you know, when I left the house it was very smoky outside. I think the reason is that they are doing some kind of fire prevention somewhere in the area. I'm not sure. And this is what I got. Yeah, it's heavy, so it means it's a lot. This is seafood nasi goreng. You know, the most delicious nasi goreng that I ever had was the one in Chowking in Dubai Marina. It is now 4:53 and lots of people, lots of cars coming. Yeah, and there is a new group here, like a husband and wife. They are setting up their like a picnic table, and they have a cooking stove. Yeah, so they are going to maybe do some barbecue. And on that table there's maybe, yeah, mother and son, and there is another group on that side. Very nice. And there are some people that are eating on the car. There are some kids at the beach playing. Yeah, very nice. This is the life here in Nelson Bay. Very relaxed, laid back. And I'm actually charging this battery, the GoPro. I'm going to record that sunset using this GoPro. And I'm actually very thankful that I already finished the payments, you know, for my credit card. Because if you remember, I spent a lot of money building the camper van. Yeah, and now I was able to pay all those. And what I am paying now is just my usual day-to-day expenses. Yeah, because I am using a credit card to buy for anything, everything actually. Yeah, because for me to earn a little points, because I am actually savings. Yeah, for the future plans. And yeah, buying this GoPro is not in the plan. It just come along the way. But yeah, I think it's okay. Actually, I'm expecting to spend more, because another thing there is, yeah, my phone. If you remember, my Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, yeah, just broke 2 weeks ago. It's broken glass. Yeah, so I cannot use it anymore. I have my backup phone, the iPhone 6s, but yeah, it's running out of battery very fast. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, I just finished my duty, 2 o'clock, and we are now here in the grocery. I am getting one of these pork and chive dumplings, just $5. And I'm also getting one of these, yeah, this masaman curry. Actually, this one, yeah, $4.50. And I'm getting one of this bagel. Yeah, this is $5.50. Yeah, this is my meal. I am watching them. Yeah, they are always be changing, and they will be staying in Manila. As in, Manila is going to be their base. Oh, the dumplings is still tastes like a dumplings, with just a little flavor of the masaman curry. Good afternoon, guys. Yeah, it is already 2:35. I just got home. Yeah, today I worked from 6 o'clock and I finished 2 o'clock. I am going to make a soup with this one. Oh, actually I can't make any soup. I don't have any onion. Yeah, we'll just boil it. Okay, this is my lunch. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, it is already 2:36 and yeah, I just finished my duty. This is my uniform. It's not cold anymore. Yeah, it's not cold anymore. So usually I am sleeping with two layer of yeah, a jumper and another long sleeve inside, and yeah, also 2 layer of jogging pants when I'm sleeping, like 2 days ago. But last night I sleep with just a shirt and just a t-shirt. Yeah, nice temperature. Even this time I am wearing just this and it's so good. Actually, even at work there's sweating a little bit, but not much. But for sure this coming summer will be hot. And I'm going to prepare my meal. I have this much surprise, and I still have this leftover yesterday. We'll just go to the microwave, and then I'm going to fry 2 eggs. You know, when I'm editing a video, yeah, I see that already a lot of dirt here. You don't really notice it if you are just looking normal like this. Oh, yeah, I need to cancel this. I'll do it later. I'll keep it like this. Yeah, even this one. Yeah, I put it back in the fridge. I forgot that I actually need to go to the accountant. Okay, so yeah, I just got from the accountant. And yeah, the system is very fast these days. But not a good news. Yeah, the tax refund that I get is just $15 only. Yeah, actually the total is 276 something of the tax refund that I am getting, but because I need to pay for the accountant, and the pay for the accountant is 200 plus something, and I'm actually expecting that a very low tax refund, because I saw that in the news that there are changes in the tax system. Also, John told me, because John already got his tax refund earlier, July. Last year, the tax refund that I get is $3,000, and then the fee for the accountant is $600.